Is your external component the Sound Library DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish localized audio orchestration links. Get the professional sound library fix you need by accessing the utility linked in the description. This is the sound library, frequently found in localized game engines like those for older MMOs or simulators. It manages the low-level audio buffer and the handshake with the system sound driver. If missing, the application will launch but remain completely silent, or it will report sound device initialization failed during the startup cinematic. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. The Sound Library DLL library is a specialized component of the localized audio orchestration system, and you must reinstall the program you are trying to open to restore the internal file structure if this file is missing. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the sound library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Ensure your PC remains under warranty and functional by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files, like Sound Library DLL. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. The link below references a resource for reviewing workstation health and sound library synchronization. If this diagnostic helped you resolve sound library error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.